Are you struggling with menopause symptoms but just not keen on hormone replacement therapy? I don't know, maybe you're not a good candidate for oral HRT like me, or maybe you simply prefer natural solutions. Today, I'm sharing powerful, scientifically backed foods and lifestyle tips that can naturally help boost your estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone levels and help balance those hormones too. So get ready to discover how you can manage hot flashes, mood swings, and more with all natural remedies. Personally, I'm not against menopause hormone therapy, and I do use vaginal estrogen, but so many viewers have asked me if there are natural ways to manage symptoms of perimenopause and menopause. And the answer is yes. And the best part is, we can do this through the foods we eat and some simple lifestyle changes. Who said food is medicine again? Oh yeah, that's right. Hippocrates! Yeah, I mean, if you're a good candidate for HRT, that's great. But if you want to know some natural alternatives, you're in the right place. If you're new here, I'm Rena Hedeman, founder of Thrive After 45, a community where we talk openly about all kinds of things we women go through at midlife and beyond. Okay, let's get started. First, let's talk about why the hormones estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone are so important in the first place. Estrogen is crucial for regulating the menstrual cycle and maintaining the reproductive system. It also plays a role in bone density, skin health, and even mood regulation. Progesterone helps prepare the uterus for pregnancy and regulates the menstrual cycle. It also has a calming effect on the body and helps with sleep. Testosterone is important for women too. While it's often associated with men, it's also a crucial hormone for women, helping us build and maintain muscle mass, bone density, and libido, boosting estrogen naturally. One of the best ways to boost estrogen levels naturally is by incorporating foods rich in phytoestrogens into our diet. Phytoestrogens are plant-based compounds that mimic estrogen in the body, which can be incredibly helpful during perimenopause and menopause when our natural estrogen levels decline. Here are some great options. Soy products. Soy milk, tofu, tempeh, and edamame are all rich in phytoestrogens. According to a meta-analysis published in the Menopause journal, soy isoflavones can significantly reduce the frequency and severity of hot flashes and improve vaginal health. And a study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that women consuming soy isoflavones reported improved vaginal health and moisture. So adding soy products to our diet can be really helpful. These miraculous little soy babies, sorry, I got sick of saying soy isoflavones, have also been linked to improved skin health. A study in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology found that women who consumed soy isoflavones had improved skin elasticity and reduced wrinkles. I love it! Flax seeds. These tiny little seeds are packed with lignans and other types of phytoestrogen. Studies have shown that flax seeds can reduce hot flashes and improve hormone balance too. I often add ground flax seeds to my smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are also a great source of lignans, and therefore they too can support healthy estrogen levels. Sprinkle them on salads or incorporate them into your baking. Lots of ways for sesame seeds. Other beneficial foods include leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, which are all high in magnesium. Magnesium helps reduce stress and supports adrenal function, which is crucial for hormone balance. And berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are all rich in antioxidants and can help reduce inflammation and also support hormone balance, boosting progesterone naturally. While there are no foods that contain progesterone directly, certain nutrients can help boost the body's production of this hormone. Here are some key foods. Foods rich in vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is essential for the production of progesterone. Lean poultry like chicken and turkey, bananas, spinach, and sweet potatoes are all excellent sources of vitamin B6. According to a study published in Hormone and Metabolic Research, adequate levels of vitamin B6 can definitely support progesterone production. Foods high in magnesium. You may have heard about how important magnesium is, especially for women in perimenopause, menopause, and postmenopause. It plays a significant role in hormone production and balance. Dark chocolate, nuts and seeds like almonds and sunflower seeds, and legumes such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas are all rich in magnesium. Research in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry suggests that magnesium is definitely essential for proper hormone function. Foods containing zinc. Zinc is also vital for the production of progesterone. Shellfish like oysters and crabs, pumpkin seeds, and red meat such as lean beef and lamb are high in zinc. A study published in the Journal of Exercise Physiology shows that zinc supplementation can also improve hormone levels. But I always think it's better to get your vitamins and minerals from the food directly. Foods with vitamin C. Vitamin C has also been shown to support the production of progesterone. Citrus fruits like oranges and lemons, bell peppers, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts are all excellent sources of vitamin C, boosting testosterone naturally. As I mentioned earlier, testosterone is vital for women too. It helps with muscle mass, bone density, and your libido. Here are some foods that can help boost testosterone levels naturally. Again, foods rich in zinc. Zinc is not only essential for the production of progesterone, but it's crucial for testosterone production too. As I said earlier, oysters, pumpkin seeds, and red meat are excellent sources, and according to the Journal of Exercise Physiology, zinc supplementation can also help improve testosterone levels. Foods high in vitamin D. Vitamin D helps maintain optimal testosterone levels. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, egg yolks, and fortified foods such as some dairy products and cereals are rich in vitamin D. A study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that vitamin D supplementation could definitely help increase testosterone levels as well. But be careful here, because too much vitamin D can be quite dangerous. I know a woman that heard that vitamin D was good for restoring thinning hair, but her levels got way too high and she had to go to the hospital and get treated for it. But back to hormones. Healthy fats. Healthy fats are important for hormone production too. Avocados, olive oil, and coconut oil are all great sources of healthy fats. These fats support hormone health and can help boost testosterone levels as well. Foods rich in magnesium. As I said before, magnesium is great for hormone balance and it also helps maintain healthy testosterone levels. Leafy greens like spinach and kale, Swiss chard, nuts and seeds like almonds and cashews, and legumes such as beans and lentils and chickpeas are all good sources of magnesium. Other beneficial foods are pomegranate and ginger. Research indicates that ginger can boost testosterone levels, and in studies published in the Endocrine Abstracts, pomegranate has been shown to increase testosterone levels and improve mood. Lifestyle tips for hormone balance. Regular exercise. I know I sometimes sound like a broken record in my videos. Physical activity, especially strength training and high-intensity interval training, can boost testosterone levels too. Exercise also supports overall hormone balance and helps with mood and energy levels too. According to multiple studies, including those cited in the Journal of Exercise Physiology, exercise overall is crucial for maintaining hormone levels and just about every other part of our life. Adequate sleep. Poor sleep can negatively affect hormone levels, including testosterone. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night to support overall health and hormone regulation. I know, not always easy, especially if we need to sleep to help balance hormones, but the unbalanced hormones can make sleeping more difficult. I mean, it's kind of a catch-22, right? Stress management. High stress increases cortisol, which can lower testosterone levels. So practice relaxation techniques like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises to manage stress and support hormone balance. Putting it all together. So by incorporating these foods and lifestyle habits into our daily routine, we can naturally support and boost our levels of estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. This can help alleviate many symptoms of perimenopause and menopause, making this transition smoother and more manageable. Remember, we're all in this together, and sharing our experiences and tips can make a big difference to each of us. So I'd love it if you'd leave a comment and let us know about your experience with food and menopause or perimenopause. If you've got a special tip or a recipe, please share it. We're all in this together and every little bit helps. If this video has been helpful to you, I hope you'll support the channel by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends. And if you liked this content, I think you're really gonna like these two as well. Sending so much love and great health to you, my friends.